I'm going to show you how to cut your one sheet wonder for the projects. The first thing you need to do is make sure that if your pattern is directional, you have the top where you want it. So I'm going to turn this and place the top of my designer series paper on the 7-inch mark, and I am going to cut. At this point, I'm going to set this piece aside. That's going to be for my bag. And I'm going to start with this smaller piece here. So I am going to place this on the 5.5-inch mark, and I am going to cut. And then I'm going to set the second piece on the 5.5-inch mark also and cut. Now at this point I can set the 1-inch piece aside, and I'm going to turn my paper and set the top of it on the 4-inch mark and cut. Move it to the 3-inch mark and cut again. Move it to the 2-inch mark and cut. And then move it to the 1-inch mark and cut. I'm going to bring over my second piece, and of course I'm ready to set it on the 4-inch mark. And cut 1-inch strips again. Once I have my pieces cut, I'm ready to set my trimmer to the side. Okay, I'm going to show you the pieces all at one time now. We have our 7 by 12 inch for the bag, and then we have our 5.5-inch piece that we've cut down into 1-inch widths. And we had 2 of those, so we actually have 10 pieces, or enough for 5 cards. And then we have this last piece here, which was the small piece left on the end from that 11-inch length. And this one measures 1 inch by 5 inches. And you can use that to decorate the inside of your card if you would like. So there are all the pieces you'll need to make your One Sheet Wonder cards and bag. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.